Hey, health enthusiasts! Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of heart disease by a whopping 32%? Yes, you heard that right. If you're looking for the secret to a healthier, happier you, keep watching because plant-based eating might just be the answer you've been searching for. In today's video, we're diving into the transformative power of plant-based eating. We'll explore how this lifestyle choice can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on this journey to a better you. Let's address the elephant in the room, the common health issues that plague many who follow a non-plant-based diet. From obesity to high cholesterol and even diabetes, these are just a few of the challenges people face when they don't prioritize plant-based foods. But don't worry, because there's a solution right at our fingertips. There's a vibrant, delicious, and health-boosting alternative that's easier than you might think. Now, let's flip the script and talk about the incredible benefits of embracing a plant-based diet. Benefit 1. Achieve weight loss goals. Many people find that switching to plant-based foods helps them shed unwanted pounds effortlessly. Benefit 2. Improve digestion. A diet rich in fiber from fruits and vegetables can improve digestion and promote gut health. Benefit 3. Skyrocketing energy levels. Imagine transforming that sluggish feeling into a more vibrant, energized version of yourself. With plant-based eating, you're not just changing your diet, you're giving yourself the tools to transform your life. Here it is, the key moment you've been waiting for. The secret to unlocking a healthier, happier you lies in transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. By making this shift, you're not just changing what's on your plate, you're transforming your entire well-being from the inside out. It's a game changer, my friends. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've discussed today. Plant-based eating isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool that can revolutionize your health. Remember, the choices we make about our food have the potential to shape our lives in profound ways. Why not give plant-based eating a try and see the incredible impact it can have on you? As we come to the end of our video, I want to leave you with a challenge. I encourage each of you to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Witness the positive changes for yourself and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay plant-powered.